Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set a watermark in a document in 2025. A watermark is a faint text or image that appears behind your content, often used to mark documents as draft, confidential, or even branded with a logo. Let's get started. First, open your document in the editor you're using. For most people, this will be Microsoft Word or Google Docs. In Word, you can go to the Design tab and select Watermark under the Page Background section. From there, choose a built-in option like Confidential or Draft, or click Custom Watermark to add your own text or upload an image. Once you've made your choice, your watermark will appear on every page of the document automatically. If you ever need to remove or edit it, just go back to the same menu and make changes. And that's it. That's how you set a watermark in a document in 2025. For more tips and tricks just like this one, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.